Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get started with some news at 8:30, so I'm just going to sit on my hands until then. We got news at 8:30, I'm going to wait till after news launches, and then we're going to look for some trade setups. Also, yesterday's video was kind of long, so what I plan on doing is just pausing the video in between trades, and then come back at it as I come up on the setup. Because yesterday's video was just was over an hour long, and I don't really want people sitting through an hour's worth of material. So I'll just take my time and pause the videos through trade setups, and it'll be easier for me to edit it down and get you back to the action. Okay, so just hang in there, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at our first setup here, solid edge setup. So let's see if we can get pulled in. All I'm doing is waiting on a signal from this point here, and we'll see if we get a signal. Okay, just trying to see if I can hit my first targets, and just a tick or two away.
You got the second target filled.
Let's see if we can look at it. Oh my goodness! Just waiting to hit that first level. Let's see what happens. We got to get that push. I'm trying to get a push all the way up to 47.25. Let's see what happens. So if I don't get this, I gotta lower this. I gotta lower this down to 10. I need to get this to take out my first targets, or I might risk the chance of it rolling over. So let me move my stop. Let me see what happens. Let me just see what happens. It's not there yet. It's not where I need it to go. So let's just hang in there, hang in this trade for just a little longer, see if we can get another push up, and then we'll go from there, okay? Okay, took my first off and removed the break even. Alright, so we're plus 225 right now. So I'm just gonna see if I can let it ride up to adjust this stop here, just inside market profile. Let me bring that down so you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, so I know it's gonna bounce off of this level. I had that marked up. So now it's either gonna go here. I'm gonna play it to this here. Play this to right here. Play it right to this level here, and I'm gonna try to take profit here, and then I'm gonna regroup for the next trade. Okay, so this chart helps me out a lot. I tell you, it tells me exactly where I am. That's my market profile chart. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna pause it to the next setup. Got it clear. Levels 52.50, going even to the south side of 52.41.50, and then wait for the next setup. So be right back. Okay, so we're just sitting waiting on another setup. I'm either waiting on it to clear this level here, or come back and give me another yellow candle in this area here, or either break through this area and then these levels will turn red. I just want to give you an update on yesterday, on why yesterday was such a disaster for me. I ended up recouping, like, I think it was like 187 ticks after being down 108 ticks. So this was yesterday's market profile chart, right? And so it was around this time of day, around in this area here, in this area right here, where I lost. I took some trades. I got some false signals in here, and this was just all choppy. It just chopped me all up in here. I was down like 13.50. So I sat on my hands until this point here, and I got in the market here, and that's why I took it all the way down, and I got back like 87 ticks in this area here. And I took a couple more trades over here, and I got beat up and then recouped it back, and I ended up plus. I still ended up negative on the day. But I was only negative $200, so that pretty much was a win for me. And then now, as you see today, I'm up 450, so that recouped everything from I recouped everything from yesterday's loss, and now I'm positive. So you know, it just happens like that. But this chart here is an amazing chart, and it keeps me knowing the exact profile of the market and where all the volume, everything is. So just wanted to share that with you. So now we're just waiting again. So hopefully I can get down in this area here and get another signal. If not, we'll push through. If not, we'll push through the top up here. So those are the levels that I'm looking at. All right. So be right back. Okay. So here we go right at a level. Just wait to see if we can just get inside. We need to get a tick inside of this level here. It needs to hold, or we'll come back out and get a yellow bar to indicate that I can go long. And we'll see if we get that signal. Again, to learn more about our levels and you know, just our whole system, you can go to my chat room training videos, and it'll explain everything about what we do here. Okay. Okay, so we're in our zone. We just entered our zone, so we're either looking for to push through for a trend change, or we're looking to get our signal to go back to the upside. I prefer to get a trend change. There's a long way to go before we get to our target. So there's a nice gap in the market that I would like to take. And so, so now we'll just wait to see if we can get a signal here. Okay, be right back. Okay, so we just I just got these two dots that tell me that we're moving into a trend change. So this outer edge trade is no longer valid. So I'm going to have to just come back once we get a setup. Our next setup probably going south. So I'm just going to wait for this area here to turn red, and then we'll go south from there, which is what I was looking for. Okay, so be right back. Okay, so we got about 5 more minutes to the open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till the open happens and wait for the market to establish a direction, and then that's when I'm going to look to get into the market. Okay, so just hang in there. Be right back.
The gaps in the market are.
I'm sorry, guys. I was so into this trade that I forgot to push record on the video. But I did come in at 4 contracts. Let me put the markers up so you can see where I entered. All right. Hold on. Let me just manage this trade. Sorry about that. Put the markers up so you can see. Okay, so that's where I entered. First 3 contracts came off right there. All right. So I got it right here. It's probably going to come back and hit me out. So let's just see what's going on. Let's keep an eye out. Okay, so I just got hit out, so I'm up 1350. So look at that. I need to play that number. 13. I was down 1350 just yesterday. Okay, so I recouped, and now I'm up. I'm way up from yesterday. So it's a good trade. Good trade. All right. Pause it. Be right back. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day, an early day. We're at 9:56, so just before 10 a.m. The open was at 9:30. I'm up 1350. That's a good day for me. So I'll go ahead and render the video. You can see this last trade. I took a trade. This is today right here. I took 2 trades today. I took one here, and I took one here. This is the big one right here. Okay. I got out a little too early, but that's okay. I took what he gave me, and I'm happy with today. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.